How to edit video volume on InShot app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to InShot. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the video option here and you can choose a new video from here, and I already have a video. As you can see, it's on drafts. Now if you want to manage your volume, all what you have to do is swipe right here until you find the volume option here. Click on volume and now you can manage it as you want. As you can see, so easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.